So here's a quick view of the garden. I've started taking things out of the tunnel and actually planting them in the garden itself. So this is the mango illusion, that's 3 king syngonium. This is an elderberry. You need more than one for it to produce fruit. And yeah, this is the plain neon robusta, and I harvest plants from here. I definitely want to take out this cast iron plant because it's taking also, as I say, real estate. That doesn't really do much for me. Over here, this Rapidophora dichosiva, I need to cut it. It's already made roots down there and it wants to root into the ground, so before it does that I need to cut it off. And maybe this one even as well, I cut the fruit of that off, and this one I also want to cut. This is a lovely begonia. It grows like this in the garden, flowers readily, very, very willing. Look at that. So this plant's actually protecting it. As you can see, it's not a manicured garden. Everything just gets chucked in. I've put in some marble queen pathos there. I'm trying to get it just to ramble wild. Then anything that comes from the rabbit cages goes into the garden because the urine sort of chases the pests away. We've got catnip that we harvest. It's got stuff growing on trees. Unfortunately, our colocaceas at the moment are going down a little bit because it's winter. These quite nice ones. As you can see there's some rabbit manure there. Look at this one. Oh my word. Okay, but it's made a baby. This big one. It's made a baby, and I've already taken one off as well. This that you see there is the cardboard from the rabbit cages and also coffee grinds. We've got some cassava growing, we've got lemons, we've got a pomegranate tree, we've got another lemon tree. Hey, the two of you, stop it. Hey, Void and Haze. Then the strawberries are absolutely taking over in the path. Can't walk here. Comfrey for the comfrey cream. I've just harvested, well, my hands were full so I couldn't harvest more. This is centella, which is great for rheumatism and things. And then this is lemon verbena. The lemon verbena I've also harvested back, so it looks quite sad at the moment. And at the back there is asparagus. The asparagus has gone down. There just sticks, it needs to be cleared up. Some more comfrey down there. Anyway, bananas need to be cut back, but I'm leaving it to provide some shelter for the tunnel. And I also yesterday I cut back a lot of the mango tree. Some nice variegated nasturtiums there. And this is longevity spinach. Lots of health benefits. So yeah, the jungle.